fuck, dude? I just don't get it. Where the hell is he? Been sitting for like the past 10 minutes now. Oh my god. Oh, for the love of God, man. Yeah. Oh, no shit. Where are you? No, I need you here. Why? Are you kidding me? Because there's a fucking flood coming, for fuck's sake. What do you mean? What? Don't tell me it's a prank. Oh my. You know what? Yeah, fine. Go to hell. That's all. Piece of fuck. Not playing with that shit tonight. I can't believe it. Pranked me. Really? I fall for everything, dude. I can't forget it, dude. You know what? Fuck the video. I don't give a shit.